In this lesson, we will explore the var keyword, which was traditionally used to declare variables in JavaScript. We'll discuss its behavior, scope, and some of the reasons why var is not commonly used in modern JavaScript development in favor of let and const. Let's kick things off with an example. Var customer name is Jane, and then function welcome will console log hello customer name, and let's call welcome function, and then let's console log hello customer name again outside the function. And both console logs can access customer name because it is globally scoped. The var keyword has been around since the inception of JavaScript. Variables declared with var are globally scoped if declared outside any function. If we declare var inside a function, we get a reference error. Customer name is not defined. Now customer name has function scope and the second console log statement cannot access it. Note that var is not block scoped. For example, let's move customer name to a separate code block, and we still get the correct message because variables declared with var always have function scope. Variables declared with let or const would have been block scoped and would give us an error here. Variables declared with var can be redeclared and modified within the same scope, which can lead to unexpected results and bugs. For example, var customer name is Jane and var customer name is Alice. And let's also modify customer name to Mary, and this still works and it outputs hello Mary. Let's look at another example. Customer name is Jane, and then inside the function in the code block, var customer name is Alice, and then again outside the code block, var customer name is Mary. In this example, the variable customer name has been redefined a few times, finally resulting in hello Mary. This illustrates that using variables declared with var can lead to bugs if you are not aware that a variable with the same name already exists somewhere in your code. To sum up, modern JavaScript favors let and const over var for several reasons. First is block scope. Let and const are block scoped, which is more intuitive and reduces the chance of errors. Second is redeclaration. Var allows redeclaration of a variable with the same name, leading to confusion and increased chances of bugs in your code. And finally, consistency with const. Using const ensures that the variable cannot be reassigned, leading to more predictable code.